Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so let's start our class for today, inshallah. Our Tajweed class that takes place every Friday from 7 p.m., inshallah. Okay, well done for joining on time today. Alhamdulillah. Last time, what did we learn in our Tajweed class? What rule of Tajweed did we learn in our Tajweed class last week? Who can tell me? What did we learn last time? Yes, Zen?
Qalqala.
Yes, we learned qalqala last time. Okay, now today we are going to learn about, inshallah, it is about ghunna. Okay, so I would ask every one of you to please pay attention, listen very carefully, inshallah, and participate well, inshallah. Okay, I'm sure you will do that. So I'm going to share the screen with you now. What is ghunna? I'm sure most of you know what ghunna is, right? What ghunna is, you have done in your qaidas already. So let's do it here in the class. Okay, so just a quick reminder, I would like all of you to please stay muted. Okay, unless I ask you to unmute, please do not unmute. Okay, so what is a ghunna? A ghunna is a nasal sound, a sound that comes from your nose. Okay, and we do the ghunna when reading certain letters like Meem Shadda and Noon Shadda. What do I mean by Shadda? Is a small W sign on top of the letter is known as Shadda. Okay, this is known as Shadda. Some people call it as Tajdeed. It's okay, Tajdeed or Shadda. We will call it as Shadda. So when letter Meem and letter Noon, they have Shadda, it is known as Ghunna. Okay, you are going to hold a sound in your nose for 2 counts. You only do ghunna if these 2 letters have a tashdeed or a shadda on top of them. Okay. And we also need to stretch the sound. Okay. We also need to stretch the sound for about 2 seconds. Okay. In order to do the ghunna. Like or this is called ghunna. Okay. This is your ghunna. Now let's do some practice. Okay, look here. This is inna. Okay, now you can see noon has a shadda. Listen very carefully. Noon has a shadda. So I'm going to hold the sound in my nose for 2 counts. Okay, for 2 counts. So I would say inna. Okay, I'm holding the sound in my nose. I'm not going to say inna. I have to hold it inna. This is considered as one of the very easy rules of tajweed. Ghunna. Okay, here summa. Make sure that you stay on the sound of meem for 2 seconds. Okay, hold it in your nose. Don't rush on the ghunna. Say summa. Okay, so let's do some practice. Tell me, is this ghunna or no ghunna? Okay, put your hands up if you can tell me, is this ghunna or no ghunna? Aliza? It is not a ghunna. It's not ghunna. It's tawada. So as I said, ghunna will be done only on noon shadda and meem shadda. Waw shadda is not a ghunna. Okay, let's see this one. Is this a ghunna or no ghunna? Arabia? This is ghunna. This is ghunna. Yes, I'm just checking you. Yeah, you can unmute yourself. So yes, when I ask you the question, please make sure you unmute and say me the answer, okay? So this is ghunna because meem has a shadda. So you say amma. Okay, you can raise your hand on your screen if you know your answer, okay? Is this ghunna or no ghunna? Farheen?
This is Ghunna.
It is
Ghunna, it is.
ghunna. Ghunna, no, it's not ghunna, it is ghunna. Ghain. Yes, it is ghunna because it has noon shadda. Hunna. This is how I'm going to say hunna. So remember, whenever you read Qur'an and if you come across this noon shadda and meem shadda, make sure that you do ghunna. Okay? Is this ghunna or no ghunna? It's not ghunna because it has ya shadda. Ya shadda is not a ghunna. Ya shadda is not a ghunna. This is a ghunna because meem has a shadda. Meem has a shadda, so I'm going to hold the sound in the nose for 2 counts. فَلَمَّا. Okay, this is ghunna. Next one, this one, is this ghunna or no ghunna? It's not ghunna, right? It's not ghunna because ba has a shadda. We look for only meem shadda and noon shadda to do the ghunna. Ba shadda will not give the nasal sound because ba is not a nasal letter. It does not come from nose. There are only two letters in Arabic that comes from your nose, Meem and Noon. Okay, so they are Ghunna because Ghunna is your nose sound, nasal sound. Is this Ghunna or no Ghunna? It is Ghunna, right? It is Ghunna because Noon has a shadda. Jannatun. Make sure that you give time to Ghunna. Jannatun. Isn't it easy? It is, right? فَإِنَّمَا فَإِنَّمَا. Okay, you do the Ghunna because it is Noon shadda. Okay, this one, حَمَّالَةَ. This is Ghunna because Meem has a shadda. Okay, Noon shadda and Meem shadda will give Ghunna. Is this Ghunna or no Ghunna?
There's no Ghunna.
It is no Ghunna because it is Lam Shadda, right? It's Lam Shadda, so it's not Ghunna. I'm not going to hold the sound. I can't say Alladina. Okay, it's not correct. Okay, when you have Lam Shadda, you can't hold it. Okay, you hold only Noon and Meem. Then when they have Shadda, if they have Fatha Kasra Dhamma only, you don't hold it. They should have a Shadda in order to hold in your nose for 2 counts. So this is Alladina. الذين. This one, is this غنة or no غنة?
It's Ghunna.
غنة. غنة. It is غنة. Okay, because noon has a shadda, right? كأنك. كأنك. It has a غنة. This one, is this غنة or no غنة? This is not غنة. It is قدم, right? It is قدم. قدم is not a غنة because dal has a shadda. Dal shadda will not give a غنة sound. Okay, dal shadda will not give you a غنة sound. This is not a غنة. يسر. يسر. Okay, يسر is not a غنة. Then this one, يحض. يحض. No غنة because dot shadda will not give the غنة sound. يحض. يحض. Okay, so these are the words. So let's go to the next one. Here we go. Okay, Noon Shadda and Meem Shadda Ghunna. Noon Shadda and Meem Shadda is a Ghunna. Inna or Amma. If Noon or Meem have a Tajweed on the top or a Shadda on the top, stretch for 1 second. With a nasal sound, this means a sound from your nose. Okay, for example, Inna Amma. So let's find all the Ghunna words here and circle our ghunnas here. So let's look at the board and I'm going to circle all the ghunnas here. Okay, this is, I can say this one over here, manna, right? I can see one over here, innaka. Okay, I can see one here, inna. Okay, ghunna. This one, summun, correct? This one, inna. This one, falamma. One more here, summa. Correct? Here, minna. This one, jinna. Right? We have one more here, amma. Everyone, is there any? Yeah, we have dhanna. Right? This is dhanna. Dhanna. Okay?
Amma.
So this is فَأَمَّا. فَأَمَّا. Right? So I think that's all we have on this page. Fine. So rest of the words are not ghunna because they are not meem shadda and they are not noon shadda. Okay? So these are the ghunna words on this page. Now let's move on and do this activity here. Ghunnas will go in the ghunna section and non-ghunna will go in the non-ghunna section. So let's draw a line, an arrow. Let's take an arrow and do from the beginning. وَالنَّاسِ. right? First one is one nasi. Is this ghunna or not ghunna? It is a ghunna. So go in the ghunna. Ghunna, one nasi, right? Let's first do all the ghunnas, then no ghunnas. I can see one ghunna over here. Ka'annaka. This is a ghunna. So it goes here. Next, jahannama. It's a ghunna, right? We have next one ghunna as well. Abdam min. Okay. Next one is also ghunna. Innalladina. Okay. And we have one more here. Muhammadun. Okay. Now we have these many ghunnas here. And non-ghunnas, take a look. Non-ghunnas, we go into the non-ghunna section here. Qaddamat, it's not ghunna. Okay. And washamsi is not ghunna. Okay, because sheen has a shadda. It's not ghunna. Tawaban is not ghunna. Biswabiri, not ghunna. Kadhaba is not ghunna. Okay, so this is ghunna and non-ghunna practice. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. What do you mean by ghunna? So the first one here, who would like to read the first line? Just put your hands up on the screen. Zain Alam, say me the first one. How do you read this? Is this ghunna or no ghunna?
غنة
How do you read this?
والناس
One nasi. One nasi. That's fine. So Zain Alam, continue. What about the second one? Second
no
one.
غنة
No ghunna. How do you read this? Yes.
قدمت
قدمت. قدمت. Right? Actually, don't do this.
yeah
قدمت. Okay, who is next? The next one is Rauf. Go ahead. How do you read?
كأنك
Is this
This
ghunna
is
or no
غنة
ghunna, Rauf?
غنة
It is ghunna because it has a nun shadda. Say me the next one.
جهنم
جهنم
Rehan. Say me the next one. Is this ghunna or not ghunna?
It is Ghunna.
How do you read this?
Abdamin.
Say again.
Abdam.
Qalqala.
Abdamin.
Yes, very good. Next one.
Innalladhina.
Yes, very good. So this is also ghunna, right? A ghunna. Now let's move on to the next one. Who would like to say me? What is this one? Is this ghunna or no ghunna? How do you read this? Rabia? Wash. Sheen properly. Washamsi.
والشمس.
Yes. Next one.
No Ghunna.
Mhm.
Tawwaban.
Yes, very good. Tawaban. Excellent job, mashallah. Very well done to you all. So this is ghunna and no ghunna. Okay. Now let's do some more practice. I would like to see more hands on the screen so you can get the chance to read as well. Okay, this is biswabri. Biswabri. It's not ghunna. It's not ghunna. The next one. Let me go to Hania. What is the next one? Muhammadun. Okay, Muhammadun. This is a ghunna. It is Meem shad. That's why it is ghunna. Okay. Next is this one. Who would like to say this one? Kadhaba. Say me next one, Subhan.
Tabbat.
Ghunna or no ghunna?
No Ghunna.
No ghunna. Excellent job. Now, who would like to read the next one?
no غنة
It's not. It is alladhina. Next one is no ghunna. Ayyadaka. Okay, ayyadaka. No ghunna. And the next one is tawwaba. No ghunna because it does not have noon shadda and mim shadda. Okay, and the last one here on this page is fa'amma. Okay, and it is ghunna. Fa'amma is ghunna. Okay, let's do some more practice. Aliza, would you like to unmute yourself?
Sally
Solli. Saw the heavy letter. Solli.
Solli.
Is this gunna or not gunna? Gunna is noon shadda and mim shadda. Okay, Lisa? So tell me again, is this gunna or not gunna?
No Ghunna.
Why no gunna?
Because it is a meme.
It is not meme, right? It is lam shadda.
Yeah.
So lam shadda. Shadda, you understand shadda? Shadda is a small W sign, right? So it's a lam shadda. So it's not gunna. Gunna will be only noon shadda and mim shadda. Now, Aliza, tell me next one. Is this gunna or no gunna?
Ghunna.
How do you read this?
Manna.
Yes, do gunna more. Manna.
Manna.
Yes, you hold the sound in your nose for 2 counts, okay? And the next one is madda. Madda. Okay, this is not gunna because it's a dal shadda. And the next one is falamma. You can see here, meme has a shadda. That's why I'm holding the sound in my nose for 2 counts. Okay? Next is, here we go. The next one is Rabbana. It's not gunna. It's not gunna. Okay? Because it is a ba shadda. Ba shadda cannot be gunna. Okay? Zara Nadine, can you say me the next one? How do you read this?
Amma.
Amma. Very good. Do more gunna for 2 counts, please. This one, Liana. Can you say me this one? Is this gunna or no gunna, Liana?
Which one?
This one, the last one, you can see the box, the blue box.
It is not Ghunna
It is not gunna. Very good. Why it's not gunna?
because it's not Noon Shadda or Meem Shadda.
Very good. Because it's not meme shadda, it's not noon shadda. How do you read this then, Liana? Shuha. Shuha. Okay, we don't pronounce these letters from the nose, so it's not a gunna. Liana, what about the next one?
Innaka
Do you think it's a gunna or no gunna?
Ghunna.
It is gunna, right? Good job. And you hold the sound in your nose for 2 counts. Innaka. Okay? Innaka. This is how you read a gunna. Okay? A gunna is done by holding your sound in your nose for 2 counts. Okay? So as you have seen, that gunna is done on noon shadda and mim shadda. Okay? So let's do this activity together and see where does one nasi goes. Does it go in mim shadda or does it go in noon shadda?
One nasi.
Good job. Say me the second one, please. Zoha.
The second one is Noon Shadda and it's Ka'annaka.
Good job. And say the third one as well, Zoha. You're doing really good.
The third one is Mim Shadda and it's Muhammadun.
Yes, good job. You read it as Muhammadun. Okay, excellent job, Zoha. Well done, mashallah. It's fine. Okay. How do you read this and where does it go? Jahannama. Okay, it is noon shadda. So it will go here in noon shadda. It is Jahannama. Jahannama, noon shadda. Okay. It is ka'asfin ma'kul. Okay. So which gunna is this? Is it mim shadda or noon shadda? Last line. Clear the screen. I can see you have put your hands up. So say me, how does it, where does it go?
It goes in Mim Tashdid.
Mim shadda. That's correct. Rabia, what about the next one?
Mim Tashdid as well.
Mim shadda as well. But tell me, how do you read this? ضاحكا من. Okay, make sure that you hold your sound in your nose for 2 counts. And the next one. حميد مجيد. Mim shadda. And the next one, mim malim. It goes in the mim shadda as well. Okay, now let's quickly go to the Kahoot for today, inshallah. and be ready to play the Tajweed. We have only less than 10 minutes left now. I hope we'll be able to complete it. So please, can you try to join as early as possible for your Kahoot, inshallah. Get ready to join. Loading game pin here on your screen. 8672376. Ghunna letters are Noon Lam, Wow Noon, Noon Shadda, Meem Shadda, or Ra and Lam. The correct answer is Noon Shadda and Meem Shadda. Next one, which letter has a makhraj that involves both nasal sound and tongue simultaneously? Makhraj means your articulation point. The point where you pronounce the letter from is called makhraj. Okay, so the answer is Noon. Noon is pronounced by using your tongue and also your nose, right? Noon. Some of you said Meem, but Meem, just say Meem and see if you're using your tongue. Meem, Meem. I don't think we're using our tongue in order to pronounce the Meem. But when you pronounce the letter Noon, you have to use both your nose and also your tongue. Next is number 3. What does a shadda do? What does a shadda do? It shortens the sound, it stretches the sound, or it merges two letters that are same into one, and it connects to the one before. And yes, this is the right answer. Number 4, true or false? Ghunna has a nasal sound. It is true or false? It is true. Number 5 here is, why is it important to ensure that we read the Quran to the highest quality we can? Because it sounds nice, because that's what I have been taught. I don't know, so you don't make mistakes and meaning is changed. It's Allah's words. Yes, that's correct. Because if you make mistakes, the meaning will be changed. Okay, it's Allah's words, so we have to be super careful when we read the Quran, we should make sure that we read it to the highest quality possible, inshallah. Number 6, true or false? Ghunna and ikhfa are same. We haven't learned ikhfa here, but inshallah we'll do ikhfa next time, hopefully. They are not same. No, they are not same. They are two different words. Number 7, what is the meaning of ghunna? Ghunna is a nasal sound, a long vowel, a heavy letter, or a stop sign. The correct answer is, it is a nasal sound, a sound that comes from the nose. Number 8, how long is the duration of a ghunna? Is it half a second, 1 second, 2 seconds, 2 counts, or 4 counts? It is 2 counts. That's correct answer. Number 9 is, when does ghunna become strongest? With qaida exercise at the end of a surah, in mushaddada letters, that means with a shadda, or when stopping. Yeah, mashallah, very good. To all of you, mashallah, the correct answer is in mushaddad letters. Mushaddad means the letters that have shadda or tashdeed. Number 10, what is the rule called when Noon and Meem has a shadda? It's called mad, qalqala, ghunna, or ikhfa. It is called ghunna. Be quick in answering. We will be giving you only 10 seconds to answer each question. Which example shows clear ghunna? قال إنما في ربنا. إنما is the correct answer. Number 12. What part of the body produces the ghunna sound? The tongue, throat, nose, or lips? Which one? Nose is the right answer. Number 13. Multi-select, you select more than one answer. Which of these does not contain ghunna? Linnasi, hasad, jannatin, or khayrul lakum? Which of these does not contain ghunna? Does not. And the answer is yes. Hasad and khayrul lakum, they are not ghunna. Let's move on. Number 14 here. Does ghunna change if noon shadda and meem shadda comes at the end of a word? Yes, it becomes longer. Yes, it becomes shorter. No, it stays 2 counts or it disappears. And the right answer is it stays same. Even if it comes at the end of the word, it stays same. Number 15 is which letters require ghunna when they have a shadda? Ba and Meem, Noon and Lam, Noon and Meem, or Meem and Wow? Yes, that was very quick. Noon and Meem. Number 16 is which word contains a clear example of ghunna? Rabba, Amma, Qala, or Kitab? Yes, this is the right answer. Good job to all of you. Number 17. When do we do ghunna? On every noon, on every meme, when noon shadda, meme shadda has a shadda, and at the end of every word. This is the right answer. 18. True or false? Ghunna is done without using the nose. Is it true or false? It is clear false. Yes. Number 19. True or false? Again, ghunna must always be exactly 2 counts. Is it true or false? It is true. Excellent, mashallah. Number 20 here. In which of the following is ghunna obligatory? Obligatory means compulsory. Noon plus ba, meme plus ba, noon shadda, noon plus ra. The right answer is, you all know it, noon shadda is a ghunna. Number 21 here. What happens to the lips during ghunna or meme? Lips remain open, lips close fully while sound comes from the nose, lips stretch or lips vibrate. And the answer is lips close fully while sound comes from your nose. Number 22 here. Which statement is true about ghunna on meme shadda and noon shadda? It depends on the letter before it. It can be shortened in the past recitation. It is always 2 counts. Yes, good job. Sorry, I have to rush now because we are nearly finishing the session. Number 23. The word where ghunna is applied. Minhum, amma. Yes, amma is the right answer because it's a meme shadda. Number 24 here. If a reciter blocks their nose while pronouncing noon shadda, what happens? Sound becomes clearer, sound stops or weakens, sound becomes heavier, or nothing changes. Just try it. When you pronounce noon shadda and you close your nose, see what happens. And the last one is, which of the following is an incorrect application of ghunna? Holding the sound for 2 counts, producing the sound through the nose, letting the sound come from the tongue only, applying it on noon shadda and meme shadda. Yes, that's right. And here we go on to the podium for today's Kahoot winners. The 3rd place goes to Zoha with great points, mashallah. 2nd place goes to Khadija. Excellent job, Khadija. And the 1st place goes to, for ghunna quiz, it is Subhan Qureshi. Good job, Subhan. We also have Safa on the 4th place and Zara on the 5th place. Excellent job, mashallah. I hope you learned how to do the ghunna today. And inshallah, I'm going to see you in our next class. Let me stop sharing this. And that was really amazing teaching you guys, mashallah. And I'm going to see you again next week, inshallah, same time. So make sure that you join on time. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Assalamu alaikum, Miss Saudine, everyone.